Okay, the very first thing I will do on this car today is put the Datsun on the hood. Here's the tools I'm going to use. Going to polish it a little bit more with this 3M chrome and metal polish. I'll be using fuel lines. This is 1/8 by 1/4 fuel lines, so 1/8 inner, 1/4 outer. Cut a little bit off. Put it on the posts there, as you see, to mount it to the body. It's an old trick that people have been using for decades. Originally they used little metal clips. The fuel lines actually work just as well, and they're easy to work with and much easier to obtain. I'll also be using a small drill bit, which in this case is a 9/64, just to drill out or manually bore out these holes to get the paint cleaned out without chipping too much. So let's see how we go. And there's the back side of the hood, and here's the front side. That's it for me today. I look forward to adding a lot more pieces to this car over the next several months.